Hello everyone, I'm Limone and with me Fabrizio and Francesco. Together we built Bob is Safe, an integration of zkBob into safe smart accounts that allows to perform direct deposit into zkBob applications for anonymous payments. Our Safe app and custom module allows also to pay with different RC20 like Ghost and ApeCoin thanks to Uniswap, so you can pay with all the coins seen here and maybe more soon. Among the possible use cases, we imagine people using our Bob is Safe app for privacy-preserving payroll system in DAOs, untraceable donations and contributions, or even private rewards and loyalty programs. In general, we allow all the zkBob's use cases through a Safe Smart Contract account. How does it work? So you install a custom Safe app, which will allow you to add our Bob module to your smart account. After that, you will be able to send an anonymous payment through zkBob directly from your Safe. What's happening behind the scenes? When you pay with Bob, our custom module is performing a direct deposit without the need of any swap. While on the other side, when you pay with Ghost, for example, there's an extra step on Uniswap to swap the Ghost token with Bob tokens before depositing them into the zkBob app.
You can integrate the Safe app in Go Early Testnet, go into your wallet, then Apps, then My Custom Apps, and install our app we deployed on Flick. Then open it, and here is the app. So first thing we need to do is install the custom module we built. The Safe modules are enabled. We can send a transaction to perform the direct deposit. At the moment, Bob is safe. Can use USDC, Ghost, Ape, and of course Bob. I want to show an example using Ghost, sending 50 Ghost to my zkBob address. And yes, the transaction is successful. Under the hood, Bob uses Uniswap v3 to swap Ghost with Bob and perform the direct deposit. Let's check the transaction in our wallet. So here it is. Look how many beautiful swaps. Here we can see that we successfully received some Bob in our Bob account. So that was all. Thank you everyone, and now Bob is safe.